In this video, we're going to look at the 1201. We're going to assemble. Take the larger piece on the left side, the middle piece here, and then the far right one is to connect. You see the pin here, right there. Line it up so that can go through there. Just snaps in, and then twist it a little bit, wiggle it in. You can see it's seated in there. And then you double check on this side, make sure these two are in all the way. And then the pointy side facing you, put the roll on, or it's coming over the top facing you. And then you see a little groove there. And they call it a key, slide it right in till it snaps, just like that. And then you're good. It shouldn't wiggle. There shouldn't be any gaps on either side. All right. Let's slide it right in.